Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm gonna be guiding you through how to change your language in June's Journey game. To change your language setting in June's Journey, first of all launch open the June's Journey application on your device, whether you are using Android or iOS, and once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner. This will bring up the settings menu where you'll need to look for a language option under basic. Tap the drop down under language and select a different language you want to change to and click OK. This will now restart your June's Journey game with the chosen language of your preference. You can always repeat this step if you want to change back to English once again, and this will also help you whenever you have selected a wrong language and you are stuck with the wrong language you don't know. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.